The story of a young man who was killed in an ambush on the road way back 1976. He had a letter to his family and he wrote, "I see myself being killed on the road leading to my village. If that happened, I say to my mother and my sisters, do not be sad, we shall meet again. Forgive those who killed me. May my blood mingle with the blood of all the victims who have fallen from all sides and from all religious traditions." He offered as the price of the peace, love, and mutual understanding which have disappeared from this country. Pray, pray, and love your enemies.